Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you about a few different ways that you can achieve stimulus for strength progression. There's a number of different ways that we can do this. Of course, there's the most apparent way by taking an external load and adding it to your movement pattern. For example, a goblet squat with a dumbbell in front of you or a barbell, and as you continue to get stronger, you can increase the load on your back. Now, there are other different ways that you can do it. Another great way to be able to, increase strength capacity throughout a particular movement is through time under tension. Now, I've talked about this a little bit before in the past, and I wanted to just really break down and illustrate the power of this, especially for those of us who don't have access to a gym. It's so powerful when it comes to calisthenics and body weight movements, to be able to control your range of motion on the way down, or even sustain it and pause it at a particular point in the movement. For example, the squat, you can really just drop those hips down just before midpoint, then drop them down again when you're at the lowest point of the squat, and then come up, pause, and then go all the way just before you hit the top and your hips are completely open, you drop back down again. So your legs are constantly under tension. Now, this is a wonderful way to be able to gain strength and trigger that the muscle fibers to grow. And obviously we need to do this under care and under coaching and under like a responsible environment, but there are so many wonderful ways for you to be able to trigger that strength response. It's really just a matter of your imagination and being able to get a really detailed, intelligent program from an experienced coach. I hope this helped you, and I hope this helped open your eyes to the possibilities of what actually is possible out there when it comes to being able to transform your body. If you have any questions at all, feel free to just reach out to us. I'd love to jump on a call with you and just talk about exactly what your health situation is right now, and if there's any way that we can help you on this very call, we will do that, and we'll be able to break down a little bit of a plan as to how we can do that. See you soon.